Follow the steps on how to make a slice effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by inserting the object image. Select the object. Press Ctrl J and delete the previous layer. Then insert the second image. Select the subject, duplicate, and delete the previous layer. Adjust the shape and size. Select the layer and add a mask. Activate the brush, then set it like this. Delete the top part. Select both, then group them. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Right-click on the mask thumbnail and delete the layer mask. Lower the opacity. Move this above it. Here I make it simpler so that the duration is not too long. Select this layer and make a mask. Delete this. Use the curvature tool to draw a path. Right-click and make selection. Use the Paint Bucket tool to delete. Use the brush to reduce sharp corners. Return it to its original opacity. Duplicate again. Delete the layer mask. Delete this layer. Do the same as before. Move the position if needed. Add a new layer for the shadow. Place it here. Activate the brush and adjust. Set the opacity to around 40%. Select and make a mask. Delete the shadow parts that are not affected by the object using the brush. Duplicate the shadow and move the layer down. Delete the layer mask. Move the position. Select and add a mask, then delete some of the shadow using the brush as before. Select the background layer and add a new layer. Add more shadow using the brush. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.